I'm still a skeptic, as you know me. Be best friends and we'll be till we die. I got an injection of fear from the abduction. My best friend thinks I'm just telling lies. Alright up all night long, and there's something very wrong.